Welcome to the Ampere with me, CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So just to do that, we should launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the application, click yes, I agree, tap to close, and click to OK in the left down corner. And now we can see here this section with the health of our device battery, and in my case that's good. Also, we can see here more information like the battery health, capacity, temperature, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.